sweet and savory Pimenton Spice Incognito breakfast sausage patty with butternut squash polenta cake and maple cranberry apples is a plant-based breakfast of champions. Let me show you how to make it. Heat oil in a sauté pan over medium-high heat and add the Incognito breakfast sausage patties. Brown on just one side and remove from the pan. Sprinkle Tabasco and pimenton on top. These Incognito breakfast sausage patties are a tasty just like meat ingredient that have an authentic pork sausage taste, texture, and bite. Plus, they're an excellent plant-based source of protein. Next, we'll make our polenta. Lightly oil a quarter sheet pan and set aside. Heat olive oil in a sauce pot, add onions and ginger, and cook until aromatic. Add water and bring to a simmer. Rain in the polenta and stir until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Reduce the heat to low and cook until the polenta is tender. Once cooked, fold in cubes of roasted butternut squash and adjust the seasoning. Pour the polenta into oiled sheet pan and smooth the top into an even layer. Place 6 evenly spaced sausage patties on top of the polenta, sautéed side down, and gently press down. The sausage should be even with the polenta, with the uncooked side exposed. Cover with a lightly oiled piece of parchment paper and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. When it's done resting, carefully remove the polenta cake from the pan and trim the edges. Cut into squares that each contain a sausage patty. Set these aside for a moment so we can prepare the maple cranberry apples that will serve alongside the cake. Heat some oil and butter in a large sauté pan and add the apples. Sauté until they start to brown, then add maple syrup, cider, cranberries, and cinnamon. Cook this mixture for 10 minutes until the maple syrup has thickened and the apples have cooked through. Taste and adjust the seasoning with lemon and a pinch of salt. Remove the cinnamon stick and set aside. Time to assemble our dish. Heat oil in a non-stick pan or a well-seasoned griddle over medium heat and cook the polenta squares until they're golden brown and crispy on each side. Then, cut the square in half diagonally and angle the polenta cake on a plate. Serve it with maple cranberry apples, a dollop of yogurt, and a sprinkle of toasted pecans. There you have it, Pimenton Spice Incognito breakfast sausage patties with butternut squash polenta cake and maple cranberry apples. This hearty plant-based breakfast is a great way to start your day.